What are you doing February 13th? Well, if you're a speaker, a trainer, a Toastmaster, and especially if you're in the Toastmasters speech contest, you simply must join us in Barcelona for a special event about how to create a stronger speech. Hey there, my name is Darren LaCroix, and in 1992, I bombed miserably at a comedy club in Boston. It was horrible. Fast forward to 2001, I outspoke 25,000 contestants from 14 countries to become the world champion of public speaking. But I didn't do it alone. I had a coach. He showed me insights I would have never found on my own. If you're serious about creating a stronger speech, whether it's for a contest, a TEDx, or a keynote, you simply must join us for this one-of-a-kind event. My coach, Mark Brown, and I will be live in Barcelona. Join us for the speech contest seminar where you're going to walk away with the 9 do's and don'ts based on 10 years of coaching. You'll never look at your speeches the same way again. Guaranteed. Sign up now, save your seat, and we'll see you in Barcelona, February 13th.